I'm going to show you how to allocate more RAM to Minecraft to help speed up your game. Now, you can't allocate more than you have, so first I'm going to check how much RAM I actually have. So, step 1, go to the Windows icon, or press the Windows key, go to Settings, search up RAM info, and if you look here, it says installed RAM, 16 gigabytes, so I can allocate quite a bit. Now, it's not good to allocate all you have because Windows takes up about 2, and there might be other programs running on your computer that require a bit of RAM. So I'm going to install 8 into Minecraft. Alright, so now I'm going to open up the Minecraft launcher. And while we wait, this only allocates the RAM to Minecraft when Minecraft is running. So you don't have to worry about allocating pretty much all your RAM and then worrying about your computer being slow when Minecraft isn't running. Okay, now we need to choose which installation of Minecraft we want to allocate more RAM to. So, if I look over here, it shows all of the different installations of Minecraft I have, and I've got quite a bit. But, for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the latest release. So, to change the allocation, go to Installations, scroll down until you find the one that you want to change. Click Edit under the 3 dots. More options. You don't have to worry about any of it apart from this single line right here and this 2G, which means how many gigabytes of RAM you want to allocate. So I'm going to allocate 8, so I'm just going to change the 2 to an 8. And that's it. Click Save. So, you can then go to play, select your version, and you're ready to go. Just click play, and you've got your more RAM allocated to Minecraft. Now, I do suggest, depending on how much RAM you have, does depend on how much you can allocate. For instance, if you have only 4 gigabytes of RAM, I don't suggest allocating much more than 2, because as I said, Windows takes up about 2, and you don't want to be allocating more than you have. And when I did this, I actually noticed that Minecraft did use a good bit of that RAM that I allocated, and I found that going any higher than 8 didn't provide very much of a boost. And you can check how much RAM Minecraft is using by holding Control, Shift, Escape, and that'll bring up Task Manager. And then this Java TM, Platform SE Binary, if you hit the little down arrow, it'll show Minecraft, and it shows it's taking up about 6 gigabytes of RAM. Normally, if I'm actually playing, because right now I'm just idle in the Hypixel Bed Wars lobby, but normally when I'm actually playing a Bed Wars game, it takes up like 7 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. This helped me out a ton, and if it helped you, leave a comment or drop a like. And as always, keep it infinite.